Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Delta Airlines baggage requirements. Whether you're a frequent flyer or planning your first trip with Delta, understanding their baggage policies is crucial to ensure a smooth travel experience. In this video, we'll walk you through Delta's baggage rules step by step, covering everything from carry-on allowances to checked baggage fees. Step first, know your allowances. Delta Airlines offers different baggage allowances depending on your ticket type, destination, and frequent flyer status. Before packing, it's essential to check your specific allowance to avoid any surprises at the airport. You can find this information on Delta's website or by contacting their customer service. Second step, carry-on baggage. For carry-on baggage, Delta allows one personal item and one carry-on bag per passenger. Personal items include items like a purse, laptop bag, or small backpack, while carry-on bags should fit within specified dimensions to fit in the overhead bin or under the seat in front of you. Ensure your carry-on items comply with Delta's size and weight restrictions to avoid any additional charges or delays during boarding. Third step, checked baggage. If you're planning to check luggage, familiarize yourself with Delta's checked baggage policies. The number of checked bags included in your allowance may vary based on your ticket type and frequent flyer status. Additionally, there are specific size and weight limitations for checked bags, so it's essential to pack accordingly. Remember to label your bags with your contact information for easy identification. Fourth step, excess baggage fees. Should you exceed your baggage allowance, Delta Airlines charges excess baggage fees. These fees can vary depending on factors such as the number of additional bags, weight, and route. To avoid these fees, consider packing efficiently and weighing your bags before arriving at the airport. You can also prepay for additional baggage online, which may offer discounts compared to paying at the airport. Fifth step, special items and oversized baggage. If you're traveling with unique items such as sports equipment, musical instruments, or oversized baggage, Delta Airlines offers specific guidelines and fees. It's crucial to notify Delta in advance if you plan to travel with such items to ensure they can accommodate your needs and provide proper handling. Sixth step, additional considerations. Beyond baggage allowances and fees, there are a few additional considerations to keep in mind when flying with Delta Airlines. These include restrictions on prohibited items, tips for packing smartly to maximize space, and information on baggage tracking services offered by Delta. Conclusion: understanding Delta Airlines baggage requirements is vital to a stress-free travel experience. By following the step-by-step guide outlined in this video, you'll be well prepared to navigate Delta's baggage policies and avoid any potential issues during your journey. Remember to check your specific allowance, pack efficiently, and adhere to size and weight restrictions to ensure a smooth trip from start to finish. Safe travels!